Hey, it's Anissa. Today we have a great deal on this PerfectTemp Thermos Kit. It's got everything you need to enjoy hot or cold beverages. It'll hold up to 16.9 ounces. It's got a wide mouth opening so it's easy to drink from. And you get 3 cups so you can enjoy it with a friend. Best of all, it's BPA-free, it's made of high-grade food quality stainless steel, and it's double-walled with a vacuum top, so it's gonna keep your beverages hot or cold for hours. Now what I really like about this is, look how gorgeous this is. And it makes a great gift. It even comes with a gift bag. Now similar ones sell for up to $30, but you're not gonna pay anywhere near that. Plus when you buy more, you save more. But we do have a limited quantity, and once they sell out, these are gone forever. So head on over to the site and pick up a couple today.